Hi, good morning. Today is Saturday, the 19th of June, and I'm just going to do a little short video here, an update on the whole solar system and the Magnum inverters, which are inching their way towards the 2-year mark. I have not had a single issue with these inverters, not one ever, nothing. Turned them on, dialed them in, haven't touched them since. Now I'll give you a little show of what's going on here on the charge controller side. There's 1993 coming in on that one. What's going on here? 1380 on the Outback, and sadly, and I'm open to suggestions here, in about an hour this guy here is going to shut off, and we're going to be running strictly off the midnight. So I'm probably throwing away conservatively 6 to 8 kilowatt hours a day just dumping to ground because I've got nothing to use this. I've thought long and hard about it. I've got a refrigerator, I've got 2 freezers, I've got that Medea AC unit, 12,000 BTU AC unit. That's been on for over a month, 24/7. That's phenomenal. I'll be doing an update video on that. But I wish I had something to do to use this power that I'm throwing away. It's killing me. I thought about putting an electric water heater in, but I've got a 30-gallon propane water heater that runs on pennies a day, so the expense really doesn't make much sense. So I'm open to suggestions on that. What could I do with this extra power I'm just wasting? But that said, I was out here, I think it's 6 o'clock this morning, and I was at 82%. Might have been 7 o'clock. And that's with, I don't know, 3 or 4 fans going and the AC running non-stop, plus the refrigerator, 2 freezers, so on. So that's working out real well. We'll see how it goes in the wintertime. But so far so good. And like I said, that Magnum system, the inverters, I have not had a single problem ever. That's fantastic. That's a first. I mean, nothing, 0 issues whatsoever. So yeah, I would recommend those in a heartbeat. They were not cheap, but boy, they work. All right, so that's it. That's just a little short solar update. It's been really, really hot here. Mid-90s with the heat index like 106. It's crazy, crazy hot. All right, that's it for the Magnum and the charge controllers. And anybody has any ideas of what to do with that extra power, I'd love to hear them. So leave a comment. All right, that's it. I'm gone. Thanks for watching.